Located in the town of Wilbraham, just a short drive away from the town center and Wilbraham and Monson Academy, 1 Northwood Drive is a 4-bedroom gambrel-style colonial that sits on about half an acre on a corner lot. The fenced-in backyard provides privacy and a safe space for your furry friends. The septic system was also replaced in 2020 with a 4-bedroom design. The kitchen is spacious enough for the current owners to accommodate both formal and informal dining areas. It also has ample counter and cabinet space, granite counters, and a French door leading to the back deck. The formal living room features a fireplace flanked by sconces and French doors. Those French doors lead to the spacious 4-season room under a vaulted ceiling with recessed lighting, a ceiling fan, and sliders to the front and back of the house. The new 4-bedroom septic system created the option for a 4th bedroom. This first-floor primary bedroom was originally a formal dining room. It has direct access to a bathroom, which is also accessed from the kitchen. There are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on the 2nd level. This bedroom has a fireplace. The pattern on the walls is created by the overhead light. And there's plenty of space in the basement. Schedule your appointment today.